Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about the third part of the module 6, Information Transfer and Interpretation of Data. In the previous lectures, in the previous parts, we learned about the information transfer. What is the concept of information transfer? In that we learn one table and how information converted into the paragraph, and at the same time the same table and the paragraph given for the interpretation of data. How? That is necessity of interpretation of data with the help of the points like generalization. Again, the next part, second part, statement of contrast or comparison. Third part, statement of prediction. And you can interpret any kind of data that might be first part of uh, the that might be first part. You are going to make the statement of generalization, statement of comparison and contrast and prediction. Any type of information you are going to convert and interpret in this manner, whether it is table diagram, whether it is a flow chart, whether it is a pie chart or any table, tabular form. Now, in this part, we are going to learn the tree diagram. That is, a chart develops in the form of tree. But here, it is similar to the upside down tree with its roots at the top and the branches grow at the bottom. So, roots are at the top and branches are grow at the bottom. It is very useful to show the hierarchical nature of a structure. Why? And immediately we can understand the visual presentation of any subject and the classification of any subject. Here, example of musical instrument given in your textbook on the page number 139. See, musical instruments, wind, percussion, stringed. Again, in the wind instruments, woodwind and others. Again, in woodwind, flute, clarinet and horn. In others, mouth organ and bagpipes. Next, percussion, there is tabla, mridang, dholki, tamru, dhol and pakwaj. And stringed instrument, harp, guitar, violin and cello. So, here is the classification of musical instrument given in the tree diagram, in the form of the tree diagram. The descriptive paragraph, how you are going to write down the descriptive paragraph. Here is a paragraph of that particular musical instrument information. How it is written. See what kind of language and style is used in this particular paragraph. There are three main categories of musical instruments. They are wind, percussion and stringed. The wind musical instruments are further divided into two categories, that is woodwind and other types of wind instruments. The woodwind musical instruments are flute, clarinet and horn. Other wind musical instruments are mouth organ and bagpipes. Percussion musical instruments are tabla, mridang, dholki, dhol, pakwaj and dambru. The stringed musical instruments are harp, guitar, violin and cello. See, in a simple way and very straight way, how it is written, the information or transferred the information from the tree diagram into the paragraph. When you learn it, you can understand you are not going to change any kind of data from tree diagram to the paragraph. You are going to write down information as it is, only you are going to write down the transfer the information from one type to another type. Tree diagram to the paragraph. Tree diagram are two types, that is the organization tree and the family or genealogical tree. The family tree diagram is useful to show the structure of a major group or relationship within a large family. The organization tree diagram is useful in showing the structure and lines of responsibilities within a company or an institution. So, there are two types, that is the family or genealogical and the organization tree. That is, in organization tree is related to the company or the hierarchical position of the persons in the company. Let us study the organizational structure of a hotel through a tree diagram. Here is an example is given of a hotel. That is the particular designations and given the information of the branch of hotel management, that is general manager, assistant manager, deputy assistant manager, and after there are branches who works under whom or according to the particular designation or particular work given to that particular person. Financial in deputy assistant manager handles the four officers. Again, there is a classification: financial director, accountant, cashier, front office manager, assistant front officer manager, front desk agent, and parking. How? It is given the classification of the hotel management in the particular tree diagram. So, this is the organization's structure given in this particular tree diagram. So, it will be useful for you people when you are going to join any business organization. So, here we end about the tree diagram, and you can make the tree diagram and transfer the information into the paragraph. In your textbook on page number 140, there is a task for you. Try to complete it, that is transfer the information from the passage given below into a tree diagram. And vice versa, here given you are going to transfer the information from paragraph to the tree diagram. And next task is write a descriptive paragraph on the following tree diagram, a classification of vehicles. Here the next task is classification of vehicles, and you are going to write down the descriptive paragraph of the classification of vehicles. So in this way you can learn and practice for the tree diagram and the conversion of the tree diagram into the paragraph. In the next lecture we will learn about the flow chart. Till then, stay home, stay safe.